Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week, acquiring 16.6%, or so they especially thought. The cost of Axie boundlessness explicitly rose by 10.68% in the past 24 hours, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie most certainly has its all things considered next opposition at $11.87, which in every practical sense is very critical. 24 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these often by and large sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What truly is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, explicitly is Axie an excellent speculation, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, which fundamentally is very huge. In any case, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Axie specialized examination, certainly let us explicitly discuss the especially current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $59,916,753, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which is genuinely huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level after a decay of 0.24%, showing how market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which really is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a fundamentally significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, essentially is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. Moreover, these occasions fundamentally show that the market for the most part is going in a very descending course for present moment, so while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, an extremely broad, truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to, in every practical sense, recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how as far as Axie's support floor, it generally is presently $10.21 in a huge manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers basically become genuinely more most certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in every practical sense shows that yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Axie specialized examination. In a real sense, let us by and large discussion about the exceptionally current economic situations in every way that really matters, enormous way. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers by and large move extremely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very huge. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Axie boundlessness, axes, Axie vastness execution. The kind of day-to-day diagram of Axie limitlessness really shows that the axe's cost especially has generally flooded up with a 10.68% increment in especially beyond 24 hours, so market examination over the by and large last 24 hours there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,678,108,084,033 in an unpretentious manner. The value worth of the Axie vastness, axes coin especially is remaining at $8.29, with market capitalization $1,094,529,993 United States dollars, showing that furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem in an exceptionally huge way. Axie's cost changes 16.6% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is floating around $139,729,065 United States dollars, which for the most part shows that Axie's cost changes 16.6% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $139,729,065. Axie Endlessness Value Investigation Axie's Cost Examination for 24 December 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath, which sort of is very critical. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving fundamentally normal, EMA, to explicitly examine the future development of the Axie boundlessness. Exhibiting that help generally is a level at which purchasers most certainly become more dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that however prior to jumping all things considered, profound into the axe's specialized examination. Essentially let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. The Axie endlessness in a real sense has for the most part break all its by and large backings levels and things explicitly are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, or so they explicitly thought. As of now, explicitly bears basically are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take Axie's cost beneath the significant help level of $10.21, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, or so they really thought. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. Axie endlessness financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the everyday outline, which generally shows that Axie limitlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in a genuinely huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and in every practical sense is attempting to especially break out of the negatives.